Hi guys and gals, so here is Sulphur 5. As you can see, I'm not logged in now. I have only chosen to share one file publicly, and it's just a dummy screenshot by tweet by Julian Assange. So let's log in. Okay, and now I have three files. This is the publicly shared file. This is a privately shared file, which is only accessible from my user. And here is another private. If I change this one to protected, then any registered user within my system can access this file. If I, for instance, create another user using the peoples module, I can name it phosphorus. Relax, I'm gonna delete this user after I'm done. And then I go here and I see, okay, this is protected and this is public. So if I log in with my Phosphorus user now, I should be able to see two files. Phosphorus foo. No. And here I have two files. The one which is protected and the other one which is public. If I log out, I come back again, I only have access to one, which is the public Julian Assange tweet. Right, here we go. If I log back into the system with my real user, you will see that I can also access my private files here. I can upload files, multiple files at the same time if I want to. So here I have some screenshots, a movie, and some yada yada yada. Now when it's done uploading, it didn't accept all files because I had some of the files from before, by the way. Then I can edit my file. This is a screenshot. Then I can tag my file, screenshot number 1. And I can also use Markdown. I can supply some basic formatting using Markdown. 1 foo 2 bar. This is a quote. And there we go. As you can see here, it recognized my Markdown and it was able to associate that with my description. If I search for instance, bar, it will show me only the files containing the bar in its name or its description. If I click one of the tags, it will show me only the files that has that tag. Every single file is part of a batch. Batch is one single upload operation. So when I upload multiple files at the same time, they basically have the same batch associated with them. There's no point in uploading these because I already have them. Now when I click a single file, here's the really kick-ass cool feature. Then you will see the SHA value here. And there's also a hyperlink leading to the file with the SHA value being a part of its anchor text. And even the title of my page contains the SHA version. And of course this is an H1 HTML element, which means that if somebody were to, if I publicly shared some volatile information about, for instance, the Prime Minister of Norway snorting cocaine on a marshmallow or something, and somebody were to DDoS my server or by any other means take down my server, I could have, before I publicly share this file, I could have uploaded this file to 1,000 different servers, which allows people to publicly share files. Which means that anyone who are looking to find my file and don't find it, when I blog about the file or whatever, then I can supply this SHA value and I can go to Google and I can do a search for that SHA value. Now, of course, this isn't going to yield anything because, I mean, it hasn't indexed this file, obviously, because it's a private file. However, this facilitates for massively, humongously distributed file sharing trades, basically allowing people in different countries to collaborate with each other, with all having micro web servers themselves out of their home, and publicly help share files, which are of volatile quality. In addition, of course, I mean, the greatest part of the system is, of course, that, you know, it's perfectly safe. I mean, my private files here is simply not accessible. If I, for instance, copy this, here's a download link to a private file, right? Okay, if I copy this link and I open Safari from where I'm not logged into the system, and I try to access this file, then it will access denied. Whoops. And that's pretty cool, you ask me. So it basically allows you to extremely securely share files with friends, colleagues, yourself, or the world. You are the master. You decide who gets to see this shit. Period. Nobody else. Of course, assuming you have 100 friends setting up a similar system. If you are in the WikiLeaks thing.